Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn numbers. Kids class name: blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, green color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first read 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color. O-N-E 2. T-W 2. 3. T-H-R-W 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. Kids again use blue color and draw 5. F-I-V-E 5. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use yellow color. S-I-X 6. Kids again use yellow color and draw 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Kids now draw 8. The numbers of 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. Kids now draw 10. The numbers of 10. T-E-N 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use red color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color. 17. The numbers of 17. Kids again use black color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. Kids now draw 20. The numbers of 20. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.